Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have Jaishankar to represent India in place of Modi at SCO summit in Kazakhstan. So, this news is External Affairs Minister. Who is our External Affairs Minister? Mr. S. Jaishankar. He left for Astana. Students, Astana is the capital of Kazakhstan. All right. कजाकिस्तान की कैपिटल है अस्ताना. All right. Now we are going to learn about an important organization called SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Okay. Students, when we talk about SCO, first of all, SCO is like a club where countries in Asia they come together to talk and work on things they really care about. So when it started in the year 2001. All right, it started in the year 2001. And it has member nations like Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Pakistan. They are really, now these countries, they are also known as Central Asian countries. And India felt that we need to connect with Central Asian countries. Okay, so SCO basically it was founded in 2001 in Shanghai, China, right? By countries like China, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, and Uzbekistan. India and Pakistan joined as full members in 2017. 2017 में इंडिया और पाकिस्तान ने फुल मेंबर के रूप में SCO ज्वाइन कर लिया था. Okay, so the main aim of SCO, what they actually do, whenever these countries they come together in a meeting, they basically talk and they talk about important stuff like trade, security, and helping each other out. So it's a bit like a team of countries working together to make things better in their part of the world. All right. So what kind of important stuff they actually talk about? It's related to strengthening mutual trust among member nations, promoting regional stability. Regional stability कहाँ पे? Central Asia में, एशिया में, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया कि चाइना, रशिया, सेंट्रल एशियन कंट्रीज ये सारे पार्ट हैं एससीओ के. Okay, and it also aim to enhance economic, cultural and humanitarian cooperation. All right, तो ये इसके main objective है. So as you can see, its member countries spanning Asia, and so it represents significant global powers. Okay, so SCO plays a crucial role in shaping regional dynamics. एक पूरे रीजन के डायनेमिक्स क्या हो गए, मल्टीलेटरल कोऑपरेशन मतलब दो नेशंस के बीच में कैसे कोऑपरेशन होना चाहिए, कितना ज्यादा कोऑपरेशन होना चाहिए, और साथ ही साथ अगर कोई इशू चल रहा है तो एक तरीके से एससीओ एक प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड कराता है उस इशू को रिजॉल्व करने के लिए. Okay, and remember students, official languages of SCO are Chinese and Russia. Okay, so basically it reflects the primary languages of its founding members. Now it has members like Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan. These are what? These are Central Asian countries. And students, Central Asian countries are important for India. Why? This for several reasons. First of all, Central Asian countries connect India to important regions. For this you need to understand this whole concept. You need to have a map in front of you. Okay, I've actually mentioned this many times before, that whenever we talk about anything related to international affairs, you need to keep map in front of you. Okay, so Central Asia connects Central Asia, this whole region, Central Asia, it connects India to important regions like Europe, Russia. So this makes it crucial for trade and political influence. Also, another thing which is very, very important for you to remember is Central Asia is rich in natural resources, especially oil and natural gas. And India, as a growing economy, needs access to these resources to meet its energy demands. All right, because India imports nearly 86% of its oil from other countries. Okay. Moreover, India shares historical and cultural connections with Central Asia through an important trade road. This road was this route was called Silk Road. Okay, Silk Road. All right, so that is why Central Asian countries are important for India due to their strategic location, their important location, energy resources, trade opportunities, cultural ties, security concerns, and political influence for increasing connectivity. India wants to increase its connectivity to Central Asian nations. ठीक है? तो ये पूरा कंसेप्ट है एससीओ का एंड व्हाई एससीओ इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर इंडिया बट व्हाट इज द न्यूज सी actually what happened that in place of our prime minister our external affair minister Jai Shankar is going to attend this SCO summit in Kazakhstan. Okay, so although there's a parliamentary session is going on and Ministry of External Affairs did not give any specific reason for why Mr. Modi had decided not to attend the summit on July 4. But the point is कि इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कौन करेंगे एस जयशंकर ओके एंड the implication of this whole move is somewhat speculated कि it might disappoint Central Asian leadership. Okay, so this thing you need to remember. Okay, and few other facts related to SCO is सबसे पहले तो क्या आपको याद रखना है कि Chinese and Russian are official languages. 2017 में इंडिया ने फुल टाइम मेंबरशिप के रूप में SCO ज्वाइन किया था. सेकेंडली ईरान में रिसेंटली कौन सी कंट्रीज इसका पार्ट बनी है वो है ईरान. ओके, ईरान रिसेंटली SCO को ज्वाइन किया इन 2023 एंड बेलारूस गोइंग टू बी inducted during this meeting. Okay, तो अभी ऐसे स्पेकुलेट किया है, ऐसा कहा जा रहा है कि बेलारूस जो एक कंट्री है, यूरेशियन कंट्री है, वो इंडक्ट की जाएगी इस मीटिंग में. All right, students, so that's it for today. Have a nice day.